I bought and tested these underseat luggage options so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As a frequent traveler, I've had my fair share of luggage struggles. In today's review, I'll share my honest experiences with 5 of the best underseat bags out there, helping you find the perfect travel companion. Product number 1. TravelPro MaxLite 5 Softside Tote. The TravelPro MaxLite 5 Softside Lightweight Underseat Carry-On Travel Tote has been my go-to for several trips now. The first thing that struck me was its size. At 11 by 16 by 8 inches, it easily fits under most airline seats. We all know how frustrating it can be when your luggage doesn't comply with airline dimensions. We've all been there. At just 1.6 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, which is a blessing when you're trying to pack just the essentials. The bag is crafted from durable polyester with a water-resistant DuraGuard coating. On my recent trip to a rainy city, I was relieved to find that the interior stayed dry even when the weather turned sour. The zippers are high strength and ergonomic, which means they didn't snag or break even after a few uses. Plus, the interior lining is made from recycled plastics, so I felt good about my purchasing choice. What I love most about this bag is its smart design. The rear strap slides easily over larger luggage handles, making it a great companion for longer trips where I had to juggle multiple bags. Carrying it with the top handle felt comfortable, and the spacious interior, complete with various pockets, kept my items organized. I could easily access my passport, snacks, and chargers without rummaging through a messy bag. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's compact, lightweight, and made from eco-friendly materials. The various compartments make organization a breeze, and it even comes with a limited lifetime warranty. However, one downside I found is that the bag lacks a dedicated laptop compartment, so I had to be careful when packing my tech. So, why should you buy the TravelPro MaxLite 5? If you're looking for a reliable, lightweight, and eco-friendly underseat luggage option that doesn't compromise on style or functionality, this bag is your best bet. It's perfect for weekend getaways or even longer trips where you want to avoid checked baggage fees. Product number 2. Virage Underseat Carry-On Luggage is the Virage Underseat Carry-On Luggage with wheels. When I first laid eyes on this stylish bag, I knew it was designed for the modern traveler. Measuring 17.8 inches by 13.7 inches by 7.8 inches, it fits comfortably under most airline seats, which is a huge advantage when you're boarding a packed flight. We've all faced that moment when we're forced to check our bags because they don't fit, and this bag eliminates that worry. Weighing in at just 4.8 pounds, this bag is surprisingly light, yet offers ample space for my travel essentials. I recently took it on a short business trip, and it managed to hold my laptop, a couple of changes of clothes, and even my toiletries without feeling stuffed. The dedicated laptop compartment is a game changer, allowing easy access during security checks. No more fumbling through your bag while everyone is waiting behind you. The build quality feels robust, made of water-resistant polyester, so I didn't have to worry about my belongings getting wet. It features 8 smooth spinner wheels, which made navigating through the airport a breeze. I was particularly impressed with the adjustable telescopic handle, which is stable and easy to pull even when fully loaded. On the pros side, this bag is versatile, lightweight, and offers a sleek design that works for both business and leisure trips. However, it does have some minor downsides. The moderate wobble in the telescopic handle is noticeable, but not a deal breaker. Additionally, make sure your laptop is compatible with the compartment size. My 15-inch device didn't fit, so that was a letdown. Product number 3. Miage Lightweight Travel Tote. The Miage Lightweight Travel Tote is a fantastic budget-friendly option for travelers. Measuring 16 inches by 8 inches by 11 inches, it fits under the seat of most airlines, which is perfect for those who want to avoid extra fees. On my last trip, I used this bag as my personal item, and it exceeded my expectations. Weighing only 1.39 pounds, this bag is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The material is high-quality Oxford cloth, which is waterproof and stain-resistant. This proved invaluable when I accidentally spilled my water bottle inside the bag. Everything stayed dry. The adjustable shoulder straps are sturdy and the zippers glide smoothly, which is essential when you're in a hurry. One feature I particularly loved was the multiple compartments, 7 in total. The main compartment has enough space for 3 to 5 days of clothing, while the side pockets are perfect for my water bottle and umbrella. I even found a special pocket for my tablet, which fit perfectly. It's versatile enough to be used as a gym bag, weekend bag, or even a carry-on for short trips. When it comes to pros and cons, the Mia bag shines with its affordability, lightweight design, and ample pockets. However, one downside is that it may not be as stylish as some higher-end options, which could be a drawback for fashion-conscious travelers. Why buy the Mia lightweight travel tote? If you're looking for an economical, practical, and functional underseat luggage option for your travels, this bag is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone who values organization and ease of use.
Product number 4, TravelPro Max Light 5 Rolling Tote. Another great option is the TravelPro Max Light 5 soft side, lightweight, rolling underseat tote. This bag is designed to make travel as easy as possible. It has compact dimensions of 15.5 inches by 16.25 inches by 8.5, and at 5.4 pounds, it's light enough to carry around the airport without breaking a sweat. I recently took it on a week-long trip, and it was a lifesaver. What I appreciated most was the effortless mobility thanks to its 2 inline skate wheels. Rolling it through crowded terminals was a breeze, and the PowerScope light handle meant I didn't have to deal with any wobbling. The bag is constructed from stain-resistant polyester with a DuraGuard coating, which kept it looking fresh even after several trips. Inside, the spacious interior and organized design made packing a joy. I was able to store all my essentials without them getting lost in a bottomless pit of fabric. The built-in pockets kept my items organized so I could quickly grab my phone or travel documents without digging around. The pros include its lightweight nature, durable materials, and excellent mobility. However, it's worth noting that while it's designed to fit under most seats, some larger planes might not accommodate it, so be sure to check your airline's specifications.
Product number 5, Lexki 16-inch underseat luggage. Last but not least, we have the Lexki 16-inch underseat carry-on luggage. This bag caught my eye with its modern design and practical features. Measuring 16.9 inches by 12.8 inches by 7.08 inches, it's airline approved and fits snugly under most seats. I was eager to test it out during a recent trip to a bustling city, and it didn't disappoint. The first thing I noticed was its lightweight yet sturdy design, made from aviation-grade ABS material. It felt solid while also being light enough to maneuver easily. I particularly loved the 360-degree spinner wheels, which allowed me to glide through the airport effortlessly. The TSA lock was an added bonus, giving me peace of mind that my belongings were secure. Inside, the spacious storage was impressive, enough room for a weekend's worth of clothing, toiletries, and even some work essentials. The elastic straps and divider kept everything in place, preventing any unwanted shifting during transit. On the pros side, the Lexki luggage is lightweight, stylish, and offers excellent security features. However, one con is that the hard shell can be prone to scratches, which might not be ideal for those looking for a pristine look after multiple trips. Why should you consider the Lexki 16-inch underseat luggage? If you want a reliable, secure, and stylish travel companion that meets airline regulations, this bag is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics in their travel gear. In conclusion, each of these underseat luggage options brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize style, functionality, or budget, there's something for everyone. I hope my experiences help you make an informed choice on your next travel companion. Safe travels!